Industry expert Mr. Gopal has joined us today. Sir, which is a better option for NRIs? Opening an RFC account before or after returning to India?
Even though you have come to India, so there may be some payments which you need to make outside India, some transactions which is to be completed. So every now and then you don't want to convert that conversion. You don't want to do it. So you have planned accordingly. So for the next 3 months, 6 months, there are certain settlements you want to make from India. So that is why generally this resident foreign currency account can be opened if you are a non-resident Indian and you have returned for permanent settlement in India, and that means not less than 1 year. So that means 7 years, 10 years, or 3 years, or 4 years. Then you will they will permit you to open a resident foreign currency account only for certain transactions. So that you have to. Otherwise, this is they will not permit you to open that account. So they will say, okay, why you want to open it? Because I have certain transactions to be made. So they will generally permit it in few currencies like US dollar or euro or in pound sterling. So not in many countries. So savings account, they'll permit only in 3 currencies, and fixed deposits maximum 4 currencies. They even permit Japanese yen also.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.